In a charming hamlet framed by nature's beauty, a spirited young wanderer listened to the beckoning call of the unknown. As the unusual bird danced in the sky, a curious young soul gazed towards the mysterious depths of the forest, lured by unseen wonders. Shadows encroached as worry painted lines on a beloved face, the forest's embrace growing ever deeper as the young one's laughter faded into silence. Amidst a sea of shimmering lanterns in a clearing untouched by time, a young heart discovered the gentle magic that danced under the veil of night. In the fading light, a silhouette emerged amid the whispers of the forest, relief intertwining with love as the bond between them grew stronger. Amidst the soft glow of nature's lanterns, two souls embraced, their hearts beating as one in a moment of shared relief and love. Hand in hand, they tread the path back home, the village lights beckoning from afar, a newfound vow etched in their hearts never to stray far from each other's side. By the crackling fire's warmth, tales of their shared escapade unfolded, laughter and whispers weaving a tapestry of cherished memories and an unbreakable bond. Beneath a blanket of twinkling stars, two kindred spirits lay side by side, their gazes reaching for the heavens, united in wonder and the beauty of their shared journey.